Welcome back to my channel. I haven't shown the to-do list for a long time, and today's thing was to go and get my dream catcher. So just a short video on how and where I got my dream catcher today. I'm here at last to get my dream catcher according to my list that I've got in the fridge. And yeah, this is Bev's shop. And Bev, when did you start, and how did it come about with you starting with this type of thing?
Right, I've been doing it for 28 years. My sister came out from Canada with a dream catcher, and I started making one for my daughter, for all her friends. And then before you knew it, I was supplying shops. I supply shops throughout the country now, as well as doing Shongweni Farmers Market every Saturday. I'm at store K10, so you can find me there. And I love what I do. It's just grown.
It's excellent. And what's the shop's name?
It's called Arapaho Dream Catchers. I named it.
Yeah, sorry, where does the name come from?
I named it Arapaho Dream Catchers because of all the North American First Nation tribes. The Arapaho are such a peace-loving tribe. They weren't into the fighting. So I wanted to go with a peaceful tribe.
Excellent. And what's this newspaper clipping I see on the wall?
Oh, yeah, I've been in the newspaper a few times. That was done after I'd been doing dream catchers for 3 or 4 years. The Highway Mail came and did a nice article on me, which was lovely.
Oh, so you've been going for many years now.
Many, many years.
Bevan, what's the difference between the round ones, and then I see you've got like moon-shaped ones as well?
No difference. It's just people like something different. They might all have the round ones. So then we do the moon shape. We do a spiral. As you can see, he has a nice little spiral shape. And then I've even flipped the moon sideways and we put a little crystal. These are extremely popular, the Tree of Life. Tree of Life is basically coming into the world. Branches are your friend and family, and then you pop out the top. People are loving those.
I see you've got very colourful feathers also hanging from the bottom. Any specific meaning for that?
No, all my feathers are naturally picked up. No bird is harmed during picking up of the feathers. And they're all washed, disinfected, so they are ready to go.
Bevian, what do you call these, and where do they come from?
Right, these are the latest phase. They're called the vintage. I get all my little doilies from all the old age homes and all the charity shops. So it's all recycled inside, and then we just use lace and ribbon on them.
Yeah, and this LP record here, what's this for?
Right, one of the guys at Shongweni Market, Alan, that does the records, he hands me over all the ones he can't sell, and then we make them into a little dream catcher. People are loving them.
Yeah, and then I see here's a shelf with all little trinkets and all little things. And what's these with the red ribbons on them?
Those are the Chinese coins. But as you noticed, a record again, we melt them, and you can make little bowls out of them.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
I was only looking at the red ribbon and
yes.
the coins. So
Chinese coins.
Funny little shaped things.
Little decision coins. Yes, no.
And I noticed these things, they look like Zol or whatever.
He is not Zol, you cannot smoke it. That is Mpepo, which is the African sage. You'd burn that to get rid of any bad energy in the house. If you've had illness in the house, depressing visitors, we all get those. And just your little run of bad luck. You burn them, swaffle around through the room, and it clears the energy out.
And then on the side here, what are these things in the...
Those are the Chinese Zen gardens. Make them out of bamboo. So you would take everything out your little Zen garden, and you've got your little rake, and you know how you doodle with a pen and paper?
Yes.
You would take your little rake and rake the sand.
Oh, lovely.
And de-stresses you.
And the bamboo cuts the bamboo for you?
Oh, Dennis. Dennis cuts all my bamboo. I send him into the bush.
Who's Dennis?
Dennis is my husband.
Oh, so he's interested, or not suppose, is he interested, or is it one of those that he must help you?
He just has to work. He's my production manager. He has no choice but to work for me.
Now, thank you very much, Bev, for showing me around, and I'm sure I'll be back to do a bit more video. But yes, for my camper van, you've seen my van. I want one of these C shapes, please. So you must please make me a small one, a purple one, and yeah, sorry, do you do special requests for people if they want something specific?
Yes, I do. And if you come to my little workroom, I'll whip it up quickly now for you. It will take me exactly 5 minutes to make it for you.
Perfect. Thank you very much, and thank you, and very interesting, and best of luck, and thank you that I could spend some time here with you.
Oh, thank you, and thanks to the universe that we are nice and busy.
So while I was waiting, Bev quickly made up my dream catcher. Exactly what I wanted, the little moon shape, and then the colours that will go with my van. Thanks, Bev, and I'll be back for another interview and looking at your interesting dream catchers that you make. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe to see some more videos, and see you in the next one. Just for now.